G'day guys, thanks for checking out our 2021 Isuzu DMAX. This one here is top of the range, got your protector headlights, daytime running lights, and it is spotless through the body here. You've got alloy wheels, plenty of tread on those tyres. It is only 7,000k, so pretty much a new car. Blind spot monitoring, keyless entry, keyless start, and as you can see through the inside, the leather's in perfect condition, very soft touch. Plenty of storage as well, full service history. And coming through into the back, you got the full leather, center armrest, rear aircon controls, and you also got ISOFIX restraints down the back. Coming around through the back, you do have your roller shutter as well. It does have a small little PDR dent here, which is going to get popped out where a piece of timber or something's just sat on top of it. Coming down through the sides in great condition. Full electric driver's seat, electric brakes, Anderson plug. So it all is ready for towing. Four-wheel drive, push button start, satellite navigation, reverse camera, hill descent, traction control, and so much more. These things are really well equipped, and this one here, traveling 6,657,000 Ks, is pretty much all ready to go. We look forward to seeing